Ever scroll TikTok too late that your feed got completely running? Or maybe you just don't want annoying seeing what you watched last night? Don't worry. Clearing your TikTok watch history is super easy and it takes less than 2 minutes. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone. After opening TikTok, go to the profile section at the bottom. Here, you can click on the top right corner in the three lines menu icon. After that, choose settings and privacy. Within the page, scroll down to the bottom, find the activity center option, click on it. In the page, you can find the watch history at the top of the menu bar, click on them. You can see all of the watch history listed there. If you preview any watch history, simply tap on it and view it. To completely clear the watch history on TikTok, don't panic. Tap on the three dots more icon top right corner. After that, hit select. Now you can manually select all of them watch history if you want to delete. After selecting all them, tap on the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm by hit delete again. And that's it. If this quick tutorial helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more hassle-free tech tips. Got any question? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching.